I'm going to start my today's video with one of the best saying by Ralph Emerson, who said that for a man to be himself in a world that is constantly changing or trying to change that person is the greatest accomplishment of all time. And this can be proved that, see, individuals are having more and more super lofty goals. They want to become rich, they want to own more and more company, they want to be a rich people. So for them to be a rich, they should concentrate on themselves, not on the doubters and negative people who are around there to confuse them or demoralize them. You should concentrate on your goals and achievements. You should concentrate on your focus, so that any negative and doubters around you cannot affect you. See, there are two kinds of people out there who are there to support you or who are there to reject you. See, mostly whenever we choose a career option or whenever we start our journey of career, there are two kinds of people who believe or who don't believe. That means first category is open-minded. Suppose you want to be a YouTuber, suppose you want to be you want a career in a media industry. So the people or the open-minded people will try to support you by saying that yeah, that individual can do that, perform the activity, abhi nahi karega, thoda aage chal ke kar lega. The second category of people is that they are doubters. Why they doubt? Because one of the things which is very essential in those doubters are that they try to fit themselves in your situation, and they say that it is not possible, you cannot do that, because they are fitting themselves in your situation and try to convince that you will not be suitable for this particular job. I must say that in human beings, around 90% of the people are the doubters category. Doubters means they doubt on your opinions, they doubt on your ideas and suggestions, as well as on your thinking what you want to become or what are the career options you are having. So what are they doing? They are just doing. Now anyone is doubting you is not doubting you, he is doubting himself, because he puts himself on your place and then say that it is not possible, you cannot do that, because they doubt on themselves whether they will be able to perform this task or not. That's why they put themselves on your place and think that it is not possible. Now everywhere in your surrounding, in a friend circle, in relation, and anywhere where you go, you will be getting pessimistic kind of people. Pessimistic means that they are playing the role of doubters only. They will not try to support you or try to motivate you, but they will try to demoralize you by saying that it is not possible, it is not a cup of tea of yours. So you have to be constantly optimistic. Now here the key word is constantly. Constantly means you should be very active, you should be enthusiastic throughout the journey of your career. It is not necessary that you are in the beginning you are optimistic, in the middle you are optimistic, but you have to be constantly optimistic throughout the journey. See, starting is very good, but later on the stages of your career, you will be in a pressurized condition, you will be in a depression mode. So don't be pessimistic at that time, be optimistic. One day you will have to reach that goal, you will achieve that goal. Constantly motivate yourself, you will be achieving the goal one day. So to be a constantly optimistic, it will help you to achieve your goal. To be constantly optimistic, you have to do a lot of hard work and integrity. Integrity means you have to, whatever output you will be getting, that should be giving a positive response to the society. You are contributing to the society some response or the output to the society. For that you have to constantly motivate yourself, constantly be optimistic. Don't be demoralized, don't be demotivated. Okay, if you like the video, just give thumbs up, share and subscribe my channel, and now keep moving ahead, don't look back. Thank you. Hi friends, I'm going to start my today's video with the most famous saying by Ralph Emerson, that for a man to be himself in a world that is constantly trying to change him is the greatest accomplishment of all time. Now what does it mean? It means that we human beings are having super lofty goals. We want to become rich, we want to be the owner of different companies, we want fame and money at the same time. For that we need to be constantly motivated. We have to be constantly motivated. We are having different objectives, we are having different goals. So see, if you want to break up a normal life means whatever job our ancestral family is having, whatever business we are having, or whatever services, limited options we are having, if we want to break that normal life to lead an abnormal life. Now abnormal life means outstanding from the rest of the career options, or some innovative and creativeness you want to do in your life, in your career. That means you have to be constantly motivated and avoid the company of doubters and negative people. Why? Because doubters and negative people are those people who haven't done anything in their life, as well as they try to demotivate and demoralize the people who want to grow, who want to lead a superfluous life in the society. Now there are two sets of people in the society. That is, first is open-minded. Now open-minded means they are having broad mind, they are having broad vision. If you will say, or if you will try to give them the idea about any career option, they will say that you can perform, you can do it. In the long run you can do it. This person is able to do that thing. They are having broad mind and open minded. Second category is, I must say that 90% of the human beings are doubters, who assume that it is not possible. According to them, this particular thing is not possible. They are doubters. And obviously we are surrounded by people of those category only who are doubters. They every time they doubt yourself. No, it is not the thing that they doubt you. They doubt themselves, that they cannot perform the task, by putting themselves on your place and then saying that it is not possible. That means they are doubting on their integrity, their energy level, their confidence, not yourself. Okay, so we have to avoid those doubters. We have to just listen those doubters and do whatever we want. हमारे जो रूल्स हैं, whatever rules we are having, we have to do those rules, we have to do those steps and perform the task and show them that we can do this work as we have committed. And you were saying that it is not possible. Now to achieve success, you have to be constantly motivated, constantly optimistic. Now here the key word is constantly. Constantly means continuously you have to be optimistic, because you are surrounded by the people who are pessimistic. You are having your back on the wall, but rest of the world is blaming on you, pointing on you that you will not be able to perform this task, you cannot do this thing. But for you, it is obvious that you have to be constantly optimistic and show the world that you can do this thing. You are able to perform this thing with the help of hard work as well as integrity. Now hard work means whatever work you are doing, you have to do the hard work. Not hard work you are just hustling and bustling and bearing the pressure. Just enjoy your work, enjoy the activities, and so that you cannot feel the hard work you are doing for that activity, because you are having the interest in that career. Second is integrity. Integrity means you have to serve the society at the same time by giving the output which will be proved to be a positive to the society. Okay, now if you like the video, just give a thumbs up to the video, share and subscribe my channel, and love you all, and move ahead, don't look at the back. Thank you. You won't be able to, एक बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन है हमारी आइडेंटिटी पे कि हम ये काम क्यों नहीं कर सकते, और ये कहता कौन है? डाउटर्स और नेगेटिव पीपल जो हमारे आसपास हैं और हमें कॉन्स्टेंटली डिमोटिवेट करते रहते हैं. तो हमें क्या करना है? हमें उनकी नहीं सुननी है. बिकॉज डाउटर्स कौन होते हैं? जो आपके ऊपर डाउट नहीं करते, अपने ऊपर डाउट करते हैं, अपने को आपकी जगह रख के फिर उसके बाद कहते हैं कि आप ये चीज़ नहीं कर सकते, आप ये चीज़ नहीं कर पाओगे. तो हमें क्या करना है? हमें कॉन्स्टेंटली ऑप्टिमिस्टिक रहना है, हमें हमेशा आशावादी रहना है और अपने ऑब्जेक्टिव और गोल पे फोकस करना है, और हार्ड वर्क करना है कंटिन्यूसली, क्योंकि हम जिन लोगों से घिरे हुए वो हैं आपके पेसिमिस्टिक लोग, जो आपके ऊपर विश्वास नहीं करते। वो अपने ऊपर ही विश्वास नहीं करते, आपके ऊपर विश्वास क्यों करेंगे? तो हमें उनका विश्वास नहीं करना, हमें अपने गोल्स अचीव करने, हमारे स्टेप्स होने चाहिए और बी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक एवरी टाइम। अच्छा लगा तो यूट्यूब वीडियो में जाके देख लीजिए मेरे वीडियोज़।